we're getting ready to go to Western Design Conference, under the gun, big time. So in order to help Tim out, I volunteered to make it's either gonna be a tabletop or it may end up being incorporated into a headboard. Really wanted to showcase one of Tim's cool designs, which is the copper barn doors. And it gets me out of the office and into the shop. So instead of paying bills and working on the website, I can be out here a little bit so I can like practice my moves, like Jagger.
Your moves?
You don't even know the depth of my moves.
That's why I married you. I married you to find out the depth of your moves. So we're going to use this T111 as our substrate behind this copper exterior siding. But it's got this really killer grain that looks like old weathered wood, looks like barn wood. I say we.
By we, you mean me.
We.
Yeah, that's what I say to my clients too. By we, I mean you.
Yes.
How's my hair?
How's my hair? Little swamp cooler action helps? This helps the hair blow. It's really good for you. You're going to take this custom made tool right here and make magic happen.
Is that why your teeth are so white?
No, like you got stuff in your teeth. Now you get to telegraph all that character in through.
Oh yeah, this is like serious OCD stuff right here. Know when to quit. Put the toothbrush away.
Gotta know when to put your toothbrush down.